Hi, Chester staff. It's Laura here. I'm tag teaming with Trisha on how to use your Google Sites, how to build your Google Sites page for our main BRMS page. We wanted to give you just a few things you can think about how to change, and I wanted to show you how to change your picture here, and also how to change the order of your pages if you would like to. Okay, so when we went in, originally our template looks like this. Okay, I went to Unsplash, which is my favorite place to go to find high quality images, and I typed in the word computer. Okay, and then I'm going to click on the picture that I want. I'm going to download it. It's going to go into my downloads folder, and then I can go over to my header, change image, upload, and click on the image I want. Now sometimes they will ask you like to refit where it is. Just move myself out of the way. Also, you have this, it changes like the readability of it. So you can either accept that or say you don't want it. So that's how you change the picture. And also, if you want to change the order of the pages, you click over on pages here. Okay, you see insert. This is the list of all the different things you can insert on a website. And right here, this is where you can reorder your pages. You can click, hold, and drag. You can nest them underneath one another. It's up to you. If you have like if you want to do like class overview and you teach more than one class, you can, under here, you can nest 6th grade, 7th grade, 8th grade. Okay, so that is how you would change your picture and also reorder your pages up here.